what is the meaning of this? Yan, diarrhea management. Yan, cover page lang yan. Pero dito, iba yung content. Ganon din dito, pretentious listening, pero iba yung content. How to look smart while holding a book. How to become green-minded. Pero lahat ito, iba talaga yung content. Linagyan lang ng cover ng mga ganyan. Habits of short people. Yan. How to be a good employee. Yan. Edited by your mom. Published by These Nuts. The Art of Moving On. Lahat yan. How to get rich by selling fit pics. How to fart quietly in class with class. Guide for survival guide for single women. How to shitpost in the Freedom Wall. Yan. Pero actually yan, mga ibang topic. Cover page lang. Na-display lang dito sa one. Serial section. For attention. Hindi ko alam kung what is the purpose. You might want to share ano ang ibig sabihin nito. Okay? This is the serial section. Managed by a top-notcher, by a magna cum laude. Okay? Medyo hindi ko maintindihan kung anong ibig sabihin ng is this a marketing or an expression? I just don't know. Or meron lang siyang pinapatamaan, or meron lang siyang gustong sabihin, or it's just a part of plain marketing to entice reading, which I don't know. Hindi po mataas ang ating IQ when it comes to that reading that kind of actions or activity.